We'll guide you through how to make and turn a Samsung phone screen black and white. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. You may prefer using your phone in black and white, as perhaps it's nice for your eyes, or you just go and prefer it, you don't like the bright colours. So to go and get started with this, we need to go and open up our settings. Swipe up and find settings. What you need to do is go and scroll down and find the option for accessibility, and here it is, and you can then go and tap on it. Now in accessibility, you need to come down and find the option for vision enhancements at the top here. In here, we need to go and find the option for color correction and go and tap there. And you want to come down to the bottom and you want to go and select grayscale like so. And then you can go to the top and we can go and switch it on. Now, if we come out of here, you'll go and see it's black and white. It's that simple. And of course, you can always go back there at any point and go and turn it off, and your phone will be back to normal. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.